Good afternoon, dear kids. Welcome to another session of EVS Interactive class. In our last session, we had discussed about the soil. What is soil and importance of soil. And in today's session, we will continue the same topic. And today we will discuss about how soil is formed and what is present in the soil. As we have discussed earlier also that earth was formed over 4.5 billion years ago. But at that time there were only rocks on the surface of earth. There was no soil when earth was formed. Children, it is thought that soil first began to form in earliest of geological period dating back over 2000 million years. Over a long period of time, these rocks were broken down into smaller pieces by the action of sunlight, water, air, weather changes, climate changes, temperature changes, etc. So, soil is produced from rocks. Rocks acts as parent material here, and through the process of weathering, the rocks broke down into smaller pieces. So the process of breaking down of rocks is called weathering, and soil is formed by the process of weathering. And children, the weathering of rocks is a very slow process. It took hundreds or thousands of years for soil to form. So formation of soil is a complicated, continuous and gradual process. In the early phase of soil formation, the disintegration of rocks under the influence of climate took place. When the rainwater dissolved rock elements, the temperature changes causes cracks and fissures in the rocks, and when water got collected in these cracks and after freezing, this water widens the existing cracks in the rocks, and this way the bigger pieces of rocks got converted into smaller pieces. Gradually the rock pieces become powdery and became soil. The soil of earlier time was different from the present soil. It is because during the beginning of soil formation, there was no oxygen or very little oxygen in the atmosphere, and there was no organic matter in the soil. So that type of soil is somewhat green clay. But over 400 million years ago, when the plants came into existence and the process of photosynthesis also started, from that time the first soil organisms also appeared, and that was a time when soil began to develop. And from that time onwards, or from that period onwards, living soil as we know today came in existence. Often a river carried down soil to the plains and deposited it there, and this is known as silt. So the fine clay or sand which is carried down by rivers and which is taken to plains or which is deposited at the bottom of water bodies is known as silt.